Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share our Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Tāne me ana Kurī by Aesop. There are two kupu hou, the first of which is miere, and it means to be beaten. He ri te tonu te miere tia o ahi te reiria e ngā ōpango. Aussie has always been beaten by the All Blacks. Our second kupu is kawatau, and it means expect. E kawatau ana te tamaiti nā, ka kotahi ana ke tāna perehana. That child over there is only expecting one present. Kia are mai ngā taringa listen out for these kupu hou in the kōrero. Kia hāna nā hoki te noho, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te tāne me ana Kurī, nā Aesop. Ara tētahi tāne, kua herea i tōna kāinga e tētahi āwha. Ka patua kua ana hipi katahi, ka rua kua ana nanekoti e ora ai tōna whānau. I te mieretanga tonutanga o te āwha, ka matea tāna patu i ana ōkiha ioka hei kai māna. I te kitenga i tēnei, ka huitahi ngā Kurī, ka ki ai, kua tae ki te wā kia tiu atu tātou, tā te mea hoki, ki te kore te matua e whakawātea i ana ōkiha, te mahi ai hei painga mōna, me pēhea oti e kawatau te whakawātea hia o tātou. Ko te kiko te kōrero, kei whirina ki tia hei hoa, te momo e maukino tia nei era he pouwhirina ki mōna. The Man and His Dogs by Aesop. A certain man, detained by a storm in his country house, first killed all of his sheep and then his goats for the maintenance of his household. The storm still continuing, he was obliged to slaughter his yoke oxen for food. On seeing this, his dogs took counsel together and said, "It's time for us to be off, for if the master spare not his oxen, who work for his gain, how can we expect him to spare us?" The moral being, he is not to be trusted as a friend who ill-treats those on whom he depends. Tēnā rā koe I tāu whakarongo mai ki whakamiere. Thank you so much for listening to Whakamiere. If you've enjoyed what you've been listening to, it would be amazing if you could take just a few minutes to rate and review us on your favourite podcast app. It makes a massive difference in helping us to be discovered by new listeners. If you'd like to show your tautoko in another way, we have a Patreon page. For just $6 a month, you get early access to every episode of Whakamiere, PDFs of every Paki Poto, access to a supportive Reo Māori community, limited edition merchandise, as well as complete access to the back catalogue of content, which is now more than 100 posts. Better yet, if you're a kaimahi in Kura, Kohanga Reo, Puna Reo, or schools in Aotearoa, we're giving you free access. Simply email whakamiere@gmail.com from your staff email address and we'll send you a free Patreon link. A massive mihi goes out to our Patreon supporters without whom this podcast couldn't be ad-free. If you have friends in whānau who might like our kaupapa, please share it with them as well. You can also follow us on Instagram. If you'd like to get in touch with us about the podcast, you can email us or send us a message on Instagram. Ko Taurapa e mihi nui ana, hei a kua nei e hoa mā.